Torrential Slide by and large is a mid-position digital money right now valued at $40.95 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $14,979,826,560, which certainly is genuinely huge. Over the past couple of years, digital currencies, including Torrential Slide, laid out in every practical sense solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and basically are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, amazingly. A few institutional financial backers even basically consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they thought. Retail financial backers and dealers in a real sense are really keen on digital currencies, certainly, for example, Avax in light of the fact that this fundamentally is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources truly have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a generally lovely brief timeframe, which basically is genuinely huge. These profits truly are certainly out of reach in truly different business sectors, which truly is the motivation behind why most really moderate financial backers especially are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital forms of money like Torrential Slide. While the groundbreaking ones in a real sense give a critical part of their cash flow to this quickly creating resource class, which is very huge. At this truly specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Torrential Slide to the level at $40.95, where it right now sits, or so they basically thought. As currently referenced, Avax really is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 9th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the for the most part metric that not set in stone by duplicating the current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which explicitly is very critical. On account of Torrential Slide, the market capitalization stands at $14,979,826,560. The significance of this boundary will basically be made sense of later in a large manner. Our cost expectation calculation is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to give our endorsers the most dependable data on the fundamentally present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently evaluate the condition of their portfolio and in every way that really matters, conclude whether its requirements to truly be reconfigured. Which is genuinely critical. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which explicitly is crucial for the very right assessment of both truly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its truly present and future course, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Beneath you will basically find key portions of this authentic information with the goal that you also could have a comprehension of where the Torrential Slide market especially is going, which is very critical. Yesterday, on December 18, Avax most certainly was esteemed at $40.68 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Recall that digital currencies explicitly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unpretentious manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period by and large added up to 6.95%, or so they basically thought. 7 days prior, on December 12, Torrential Slide especially was exchanged at $38.09 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that for the most part near its truly present position, or so they fundamentally thought. On November 19, which really was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $21.99, the cost level that truly is at the distance of 86.19% from where it right now stands, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX basically are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts a very significant way. Market capitalization especially is one more significant metric that assists traders with for the most part deciding the notoriety of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a huge manner. It's additionally used to really evaluate the offer that Torrential Slide holds inside the genuinely whole cryptographic money market, which is genuinely huge. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization by and large is fairly straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to is increased by its for the most part current cost, which basically is very critical. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax truly remains at $14,979,826,560, enough to name it the ninth, essentially the biggest coin on the digital money market, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on December 18, the market capitalization of torrential slide basically remained at $14,884,454,185, versus the generally thought. 7 days prior, on December 12, the capitalization of Avax truly was $13,932,997,905. A month prior, on November 19, how much capital streaming around this genuinely specific market truly added up to $7,820,279,657 in a sort of significant manner. Most cryptographic money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an especially certain digital currency and its capacity to, in every practical sense, endure disturbances, which especially are the truly normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market in an unobtrusive manner. The by and large greatest stock of torrential slide generally is 720,000,000 Avax. The sort of all-out supply of Avax as of now sort of stands at 433,852 coins, which really is very huge. The flowing stockpile of the cryptographic money under survey explicitly is 365,797,942 Avax, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. This torrential slide cost expectation wouldn't be truly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiries, since it is the kind of measurement utilized by, for all intents and purposes, all cryptographic money dealers to essentially affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move, which especially is very huge. For example, on the off chance that the breakout to the potential gain for the most part is happening on the rear of the genuinely low exchanging volume, there by and large is an extremely high likelihood that this move sort of is impractical and would truly bring about a bullish snare, which especially is genuinely critical. Thusly, it is critical to basically examine the past and the ongoing exchanging volume of Avax request to comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength in a significant manner. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the torrential slide market generally was enlisted at $1,431,964,298, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on December 18, Avax sort of had an exchanging volume of $1,268,554,912 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on December 12, the essentially normal everyday exchanging volume on that market certainly added up to $3,269,520,549, but in large further appearance if example. Assuming the breakout to the potential gain most certainly is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume, there generally is an extremely high likelihood that this move in a real sense is unreasonable and would for the most part bring about a bullish snare in an unobtrusive manner.